Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem which is based on area under the curve. Let us start with problem number 7. Find the area between the line y is equal to 2x, x-axis, and the ordinates x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. Let us try to draw the graph. First, we need to draw this line y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x is a line which will pass through the origin and it will pass through the first and the third quadrant. So this is our line y is equal to 2x. The next is the x-axis, followed by the line x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So this will be the line which is x is equal to 1, passing through 1, 0. And the second line will be x is equal to 3, passing through 3, 0. So they have asked you to find area under the line y is equal to 2x. So this is a line y is equal to 2x, and below that we have the area from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3. So we need to find this area. As you can see, the area is under the curve with respect to x-axis. Therefore, the formula that we are going to use is integral y dx. For that, the limits of x will be x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3, and the value of y will be from the given curve through which the area is forming. As you can see, this area is formed under the line y is equal to 2x. Therefore, we can pick the value of y from this equation. So the value of y will be 2x. Limits of x are 1 to 3. The value of y is 2x. This will give you 2. Integration of x is x square by 2. 2 will be cancelled. Substituting upper and lower limits, we have 3 square minus 1 square. That is 9 minus 1, which will give you 8 square units. So this is the area of the required region. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.